Hello, second grade. I hope you are ready and excited to create your robots. We are going to be doing something very cool and new called transfer printing. Now, it does use paint, which of course is not a new material for us, but we get to use it in a really fun way. We also get to use some very fun metallic paints. Now, I have just silver here, but you'll get to pick from silver or gold or bronze. You'll just get to pick one and you'll get a small cup of that. Now, when we practiced last week, we practiced using symmetry, where both sides of our robot are the same. And that's going to be really important today. The same way that our sketch had a line down the middle, we are going to put a guideline onto our paper as well. You want to have your paper vertical, and then we are going to just fold it in half like this. And friends, it does not have to be perfect. The main reason why we folded it in half is so that we also have a guideline down the middle, just like we did in our sketch. Now, if you're a little bit worried about just going for it with the painting, something that you can do is use a pencil and just draw in the outline of your robot just on one side. A recommendation for you. I am right-handed, which means I am going to draw on the right side of my paper. If you are left-handed, you'll probably want to draw on the left side of your paper. It should be a little bit easier that way. So I'm going to go ahead and draw in the outline of my robot, and then I'll check back in with you in just a moment. All right, so I've gone ahead and drawn in the outline of my robot. Some things to keep in mind. You're cutting the shape in half. So whatever shape you had taking up the entire drawing, you're cutting in half. It's like you're only drawing half of this. So I drew on the right half. Now here's the fun part. We get to take our metallic paint and we get to take our paintbrush, and I am going to go ahead and paint in and fill in some of these spaces. We can work one shape at a time, and I'm just gonna do its head right here so that I can show you the magical part about this. Now, when you're working, you might notice that these paints can be a little bit see-through. So if you are not getting it like 100% completely perfect, that's honestly very, very normal. It's okay. All right, so I am filling in its head right here. Okay, I'm gonna set that down. Now here's the fun part. This is how we transfer print. I'm going to take the other side of my paper. I'm going to fold it back over, press down a little bit on that area that I painted, and then I'm going to pull up, and it transferred to the other side. Now, is it perfect? No, it's not. I need to go back over and press a little bit harder on the crease, but here's the great thing. You can keep working just like that until you have your entire print done. So I'm gonna go ahead, I did the neck. Gonna, again, press down really quick. Let's see if I got it a little bit better that time. We sure did. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the rest of my robot with my metallic silver paint. All right, everyone, so I have used transfer printing to get the entire body for my robot down, and it is, for the most part, symmetrical. Now, I completely understand with transfer printing like this, it's not always going to be perfect. I hope that you do the entire robot, using transfer printing, but if you need to go back and touch up any areas like I did down here, you can definitely do that. But otherwise, we are going to put these on the drying rack because we get to add some super fun details to our robots next week. Great job, everybody.